What's going on, YouTube? This is the girl Fat Girl again. In my tomb, of course, on my bed. Just coming from work, so I have to relax. But anyways, this video is on uncomfortable white people, because it must be uncomfortable. I'm not prejudiced, nothing towards white people, so this is not what this is about. But I get this all the time. I was at work today. This hasn't happened to me once, and this hasn't happened to me twice. It hasn't happened to me 3 times. It's happened to me many a times. People say to me, hold on. Oh, I love your accent. Where are you from? I was born and raised in Canada. No, but where's your mom from? My mom was born in England. No, but where's your mom from? She was born in Jamaica. Oh, you're Jamaican. I mean, bitch, you have to go through 3 generations to get to your point. Yes, I'm black. Not all black people are from Jamaica. Don't get me wrong, I love Jamaica, as you can tell. Everything. I have everything Jamaican. But you have to go through 3 generations of where I'm from. You couldn't settle that I was that I was Canadian. You couldn't settle that I could be just British. Basically, it's the point. Anyways, that just bugs me. But anyways, and then you have other people. Yo, you smoke weed? No. Why? You're black. That don't fucking mean I gotta smoke weed. To think that every black person smokes weed. I don't fucking smoke weed. I don't need to smoke weed. I'm high as is. I don't need to smoke no drugs to get me high. But anyways, yeah, just stuff bugs me. But anyways, enough about that. Hate being upset. But yeah, this is my 3rd video for today. I have to keep you guys posted, you know what I mean? But anyways, yeah, that's just basically about it. This is a short video. Just want to know, has that happened to you? I'm pretty sure that's happened to you. You don't have to be black, but it could be other races. Has this happened to you? What do you say to it? I mean, I just find it kind of ignorant. Like, it doesn't matter. Or, oh, you're Jamaican, I love jerk chicken. Well, great. I don't like jerk chicken. I like my oxtail and rice and peas. But it's like, yeah, just bugs me. But anyways, yeah, that's about it. I'm about to wash off my face and take a shower because I told you you gotta take it fresh at nighttime. So yeah. But anyways, I'll get back to another video tomorrow. It's gonna be my mom's birthday in a couple days, so me and my sister have to plan something out. So I'm gonna go check her tomorrow. I don't know. That's about it. So I'll see you guys another time. Later.